Alrighty. Well, last week we did this deck here, which was in really bad shape. Hopefully this area, which is looking really rough right now, it's not looking too good. Hopefully this area can look a lot better. So that's the project for this week. And then hopefully that would... Let's see what happens here. I've got this raising up. An old car here, the plywood holding it up, and yeah, it's kind of a sketchy setup. This is a really heavy slab here, and just got some 2x4 in there. Just in case if the slab falls, it doesn't crush my hand. This slab here probably weighs about 1,000 pounds. It's kind of a sketchy setup, but
do not try this at home.
Does the job. We're in the middle of a pandemic right now, so we won't have the fancy tools. But anyways, that's how she done.
Check back later. Is that not working?
No, it's working, it's just going slow. It's going down though, right?
Yes.
Last night when I in bed when I was to use the car jack. Oh, she's a little too high. Still too high. Okay. Too much. Oh, maybe not. It's not
Perfect, no?
It's not too bad. Maybe I'll leave it like that. What do you think?
It's great.
It's good that it like that. Pretty good. It'll settle out a little bit too. That's not bad. Cool. I'm happy with that.
The foreman approves. It's level enough for a nap.
Okay. Alright, new Ottawa Scotty here. We've done the patio project. What? Is it recorded? Alright, so we got, I think it's okay. It's a little uneven. Over here, but these blocks here are now nice and flat. And dug these 4 in, and now we got some crushed quartz. I'm just brushing it over and getting the smaller particles to go in between the cracks. Had to do this pretty quickly, so and on a budget of 0. So nobody has any money right now because we're in a pandemic, but I think it turned out pretty good. Really stoked about these three cement slabs. And yeah, it's all level now. And I think it's looking pretty good. I think so anyways. Zoe, how's it going? Zoe's helping out as always.
4-minute proofs. And Zoe, do you give your beagle seal of approval? The tail says it all.
Good. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.